Lumatek brings you even closer to perfection with the new and upgraded Zeus 600W Pro 2.9. Get ready to grow because the brightest just got brighter. In 2020, the Lumatek Zeus 600W Pro took the grow lighting industry and grower community by surprise with its power, practicality, and sheer beauty. And as the pioneers of the innovative, modular, magnetic LED light bar design, we have now made this groundbreaking LED fixture even better. The new 2.9 line of Lumatek Zeus LED fixtures are built using high-quality Lumatek drivers and the latest generation of high-efficiency, top-bin LEDs from reputable LumaLEDs and Osram diodes, generating a full-spectrum light source ideal for both veg and flowering cycles. The high specification of this outstanding LED is a linear multi-light bar fixture producing very high levels of ppf of 1,770 micromoles per second and a very high efficacy of up to 2.9 micromoles per joule. Also, the array of the Lumatek Zeus 600W Pro 2.9 creates a top-quality balanced and uniform spread of light at short distance to the crop, enabling a single-source grow lighting for multi-layer cultivation systems, single benches in lower rooms and grow tents. This fixture will cover perfectly a 1.4 per 1.4 meter space for flowering and 1.5 per 1.5 meter for veg. Another new feature of this latest generation of the new Lumatek Zeus Pro LED line is the clear glue protection cover technology on the LED bars, resulting in higher light transmittance of 99% without light loss, extended lifetime of diodes, extra corrosion resistance, and high water and dust proof of IP65. By the way, to all you growers that already are proud owners of the Zeus 600W Pro, you can upgrade it to a Zeus 600W Pro 2.9 without buying a full new fixture by simply acquiring the 100W Pro 2.9 replacement LED bars and combining with your already owned Lumatek LED Smart Driver. For different cultivars, propagation, and vegetative growth periods, the Zeus 600W Pro 2.9 may be dimmed without losing efficiency. The high-efficiency and low-powered LED configuration is so dynamic that allows you to run from 1 to 6 LED bars whilst reducing the temperature of the LEDs, increasing the output, and improving light maintenance. As usual, on all our Zeus LED range, the Zeus 600W Pro 2.9 fixture can also be externally controlled with the Lumatek Digital Panel Plus 2.0 or any universal controller with 0 to 10 volts output signal. Lumatek has been always on the forefront of innovation, always aiming for perfection and excellence. And this amazing and renewed Zeus 600W Pro 2.9 testifies to that commitment with the grower community. Never stop innovating. Never stop growing. Lumatek, helping growers grow.